Hi guys, we're Tim and Sandy and of course Pablo. We love travelling around in our 2004 converted Mercedes Sprinter. We are currently discovering what Australia has to offer and would love you to come along and join us. This week we show you some gorgeous beaches in northern New South Wales, wildlife habitats, a lookout not to miss and a giant's causeway. Welcome to our channel, The Sandvan.
Good morning! Today we're going to, I'm very excited because today we're going to New South Wales and we haven't been able to go there previously because we needed to be vaccinated and we're not vaccinated as yet, we will be soon. But I'm very excited we're allowed to go to New South Wales. So we're going to take you down firstly to Cabarita Beach. It's a beautiful little beach down there with a lovely lookout. We're then going to head to Casuarina, I think is after that, and then all the way up the coastline we're going to take you to Fingal Head, which I think is one of my favourite places on the Gold Coast. I cannot wait for today, so we'll see you there. We've just arrived at Cabarita Beach. We've got the best park. Let me just show you this view. That's what I call a view.
When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how to make me cry. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight.
Rightio, we're going to go for a walk up to the headland. We can't. Sandy can't come along with me with Pablo because it's a no dogs allowed area. So it's just you and me walking up to the sea. See how we go. There's a nice boardwalk that goes all the way up to the top. It's a nice, easy, leisurely walk.
Staring up at the ceiling like a restless child.
Very, very lucky to have lots and lots of beautiful beaches in Australia.
And you sure know how to make me smile. Lights up the sky tonight, making everything alright. You may think that you lost me already. Can't tell that you tell me, but I'm still your girl.
Cabarita is where boutique luxury meets the simple joy of beach sunbathing, and fine dining restaurants sit comfortably beside bright surf shops. Cabba, as it's known on the street, has heavenly scented day spas and beach view bars, famous surf breaks and stunning viewpoints, such as this one where Tim is walking to now, Norrie's Headland. If you're lucky, between May and October, you'll be able to see the humpback whales pass by here on their migration to northern Queensland.
I'm still your
As you can see, plenty of surfing going on. Some nice waves.
just pulled up to the house.
It's about as busy as these beaches get during the hot days in summer. There's a lot of hands down the beach today. And this is us. Little Vinny sticking out, bigger than everyone else.
We've just made it to Cabarita, and we think we're going to, what's that beach called? Cotton Beach. And we've just arrived, and you can just see behind me, there's a nice walk through some beaches. There's a nice walk through some trees to the beach. So yeah, we'll take you through that and have a look. I'll get Pablo to walk with me.
Right, we are now at Casuarina Beach. Casuarina at Cotton Beach. Yeah. So here, I'll just spin you around, show you the sea. Pablo absolutely loves it. It's a bit rough today. Chasing seagulls.
Doesn't matter, we go strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
We just got back from the beach. It's lovely and windy and cool down there, but it is super hot walking back up from the beach. I think it's about 30 degrees today.
Yeah, I think we have to give up going places in summer.
Pablo's hiding in the shade with us.
In the dark.
We're gonna move on to our next beach soon and have some lunch as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kingscliff?
Yeah, I think Kingscliff. Talk to you soon. Nice little
Have a
outlet
go.
for us.
Huh.
Somewhere to have lunch.
Nice park. I didn't see where we're going. I was
And just over there you go, just by the sea through the trees.
Oh. Well, this is quite nice, eh? Better than Coles car park?
Yeah. Better than Coles car park.
You reckon, Pablo?
It's like we live in Australia. Why are we in a Coles car park?
Well, I didn't know we were moving, but that's nice. Thank you.
Well, pretty much everywhere in Australia is beautiful, so.
Okay. Let's eat.
Ooh, lunchtime.
And it's raining.
With our single wiper.
Yeah. We've only got one wiper. It is on the list to get fixed. So this is Kingscliff Beach, and it looks like we aren't allowed Pablo on that side. We have to walk Pablo on this side. Okay. I'm sure America is a little different with dogs, but Australia's very restricted where we can actually take them. Anyway, we'll have to walk back this way. Kingscliff Beach, and right next to it we have the Tweed Caravan Park, which I haven't stayed in, but I don't think it's dog friendly at all, but it's really close right on the beach. And then right next to that there is a beautiful parkland they've just renovated, so it's a cool place to relax. There's shops and different things along the boardwalk that I'll show you. But yeah, it's a very nice town, Kingscliff. Fingal Head, and I'll just show you on the map. It comes out from the mainland just a little bit. It juts out, but because it's right on the ocean, and you get it's like a seaway on this side, isn't it? Yeah. A seaway on this side, and you have the ocean on the other, and it has spectacular views. I'll just turn you around. Oops. This is a little road that we saw. This wipers in the way. This is a little road that takes us out there, and we have the seaway on that side. A water skier, and on the other side is ocean, but you can't see that at the moment. There's houses, so I'll take you and have a walk out to the lookout.
Right, I'm at Fingal Heads now. I'll just spin you around, show you what it looks like. Boom! There we go. That's the headland just over there is Fingal Heads, and the little island that you can see is Cook Island. It's a wildlife sanctuary, and there's a lot of sea turtles over there. That's where they go and nest and live, etc. And you can go scuba diving and diving to see the sea turtles. Also, in the whale migration season, the humpback whales come and rest in the bay here with their babies. And if you're lucky enough, you can go up on the heads over there, and you can see the whales swimming around and doing whale things. And if you look over here, it's over to Point Danger, where Sandy took you when she went to Greenmount, and that's Queensland across the border.
The Fingal Head Lighthouse and Coastal Reserve is a great spot for a family-friendly adventure. There is an easy walking track, spectacular views, and plenty of marine life to spot. Head boasts some of the most spectacular examples of columnar jointing to be found in the whole of New South Wales. The name Fingal Head is actually derived from a fabled Scottish hero who was involved in the folk stories surrounding the creation of Fingal Cave in Scotland and the Giant's Causeway in Ireland.
We're going to sit back and enjoy this view here at Fingal Heads. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. And also, if you've got a comment to leave, please leave a good one. Don't leave a bad one.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.